Hello, my name is Timothy Howes, Deputy Executive Director at ACES. At ACES, we are dedicated to enhancing and transforming lives through education, innovation, and leadership. We're committed to our community and children, parents, and educators of Connecticut, and we are very proud to support NBC Connecticut Kids Connection. We hope you enjoy this digital exclusive.
Hi everybody, this is Mike Heideck and my daughter Molly. We're here with another art project, super easy, short list of ingredients. What's it called?
Hydro dipping.
Why is it called hydro dipping?
Because hydro means water, Dad.
And there is water in this tub. We're going to show you what that's all about in just a minute. We're going to show you how to make these really neat paintings. They're very easy. This is a sort of freestyle art, and this one you can use some
masking tape.
Let's talk about the ingredients or the list of ingredients we need to get this job done.
Ingredients? This is not a cake, Dad.
The list of supplies. Did I do better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spray paint.
Yes.
Canvas. And masking tape was somewhere.
Yeah, Mom took the masking tape.
Mom, you took the masking tape. Give back the... By the way, Mom's manning the camera. Thanks, Mom.
All right, so we're going to start with the freestyle one. And which colors do you want?
I want to do red, orange, and yellow.
Okay, red, orange, and yellow.
And the part of Roy G. Biv, this is Roy.
All right, I'm going to put this guy down here. This hopefully help some of the cameras here. We'll put this guy down here, like so. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, go.
And... Oh, you just straight painted. Yeah, you got the angle wrong.
Oh, brutal.
Wait, I want to do the meat thing.
Okay.
Dad, a little more yellow over here, please. Yeah, I'm right there. You got the spot. Right there.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
All right, so now, soon comes the dipping part of the hydro dipping.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Good, have at it.
Okay, no white spots, please. Ah, shoot, is there a big white spot?
Yeah, oh, but it looks amazing. Dip it again. Here. Oh, look at that. Looks like,
Can't see, where's it looking?
looks like fire.
Oh!
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn. We were able to put some tape on and a really neat design you might recognize here, and we are going to use some of the same colors. I'm going to go with 2 this time, and you pick one. Shake. Ready, set, go.
Go, ready, Freddy, go.
All right, so here's, all right.
Okay. Dip it, Dad.
Ooh,
White spot.
yep, big white spot. I like the purple.
Okay. Now can I see? Whoa!
And then when we peel the tape off, it's gonna look wild. You can even take the time to make a design, so we decided to do a shamrock because we are Irish. So, all right, you ready?
Go!
Oh, the green is slowing down. Come on, green.
We have a second green if we need it.
We do?
Yes, right here.
Oh, let's get it. All right.
And I think we are...
Ready for the dip.
Done. Get covered? Yeah!
Oh, and I like the drippy.
I like that a lot.
right.
That's cool.
Here we go. Woo!
That one's definitely a keeper. That one's a wall one.
I know, that is pretty good. And at the end, when they're all dry, you peel the tape off and you get a great surprise. They almost always come out terrific. You can always re-dip them too if you'd like to do that. Thanks for joining us for this week's Kids Connection art project. We've had a lot of fun. I'm Mike Heideck.
And I'm Molly Heideck, and stay safe out there.
This Kids Connection digital exclusive is brought to you by ACES, transforming lives through education.